So here's our advice: unless you've done this sort of thing before, or don't mind following guides with dozens of steps, you may want to avoid tackling a phone repair job at home. These kinds of fixes really benefit from a level of finesse and attention to detail that, shall we say, isn't everyone's forte. And we're not kidding about how fiddly these guides can be. According to iFixit, the process of replacing a Galaxy S20 screen assembly requires 41 steps, and that doesn't include putting the phone back together. But now we're left with a bigger question. If these companies are willing to let us repair the products they make, how about designing them so they're easier to repair in the first place? For now, at least, that's much easier said than done.